Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by getting an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner and connecting it to the Vios under the dashboard. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Read the diagnostic trouble codes and record each code and freeze frame data for later. Cross-check a simple cause like a loose gas cap by tightening it until it clicks twice. Visually inspect visible vacuum lines, electrical connectors, and engine wiring for disconnection or damage. If codes indicate parts, note part numbers for only clear codes after you have repaired or confirmed the cause of the fault. Use the OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner's erase function while the vehicle is in accessory mode to clear stored codes. If you do not have a scanner, disconnect the -12V battery terminal for 30 seconds to reset the engine control module. Reconnect the battery and ensure all electrical connectors and replaced parts are fully seated. Never clear codes repeatedly without fixing the underlying problem first. After clearing codes, reconnect everything and start the engine while watching the dash. Look for immediate illumination of the check engine light within the first 2 minutes. If the light stays off, take the Vios on a typical drive cycle, including city driving and a sustained highway segment. Complete at least one cold start and normal cruising to allow readiness monitors to run. After the drive cycle, reconnect your scanner and verify no pending or active codes remain in the system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.